Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Appwrite Authentication step by step. Appwrite Authentication makes it easy to add secure user registration, login, password recovery, and session management to your web and mobile applications without building an authentication system from scratch. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and open the project where you want to enable authentication. Once you're inside the project, click Authentication from the left-hand menu to access the available authentication settings. Next, review the authentication methods supported by Appwrite. You can configure email and password login, OAuth providers, anonymous sessions, magic URL login, phone authentication, and other options depending on your application's needs. After selecting the authentication methods you want to use, configure the required settings and save your changes. You should also define your application's allowed platforms and callback URLs so users can securely sign in and return to your app after authentication. Now install the Appwrite SDK in your application and initialize it using your endpoint URL and project ID. Then use the authentication APIs to create user accounts, sign users in, manage sessions, and allow users to sign out when they're finished. Finally, test the authentication flow by registering a new account, signing in, accessing protected features, and signing out to verify that everything works correctly. And that's it. You now know how to use Appwrite Authentication to add secure user accounts and sign-in functionality to your web or mobile application. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.